Free Zone offers regional and international companies outstanding investment opportunities within a dynamic ecosystem for starting and sustaining business. In addition, we offer business custom-made solutions where service excellence, best practices, and continuous innovation plays a key role. We provide a wide range of products and business space suitable for growing businesses and their individual requirements, from a sole practitioner wanting a freelancer license and affordable co-working space. Our proposition is particularly suitable for companies within different sectors, such as health, education, IT, retail, and F&B sectors.
Business operations need to function within a sound infrastructure that meets investor everyday needs, and we have worked hard to provide this. Our facilities are customized to fit their requirements, and we are focused on implementing a sustainability agenda across many of our buildings and zones that will provide the companies a wide range of benefits.
Providing appropriate business space for many different requirements is our priority. We have a variety of dedicated zones and communities which are suitable to specific trades and areas of business. This includes our popular China Mall, providing superb retail opportunities, through to Azura Marina that is ripe for food and beverage operators, and our car showroom zone for the auto trade. We have also recognized that some investors want to establish a business close to their home. Hence, our Azura development, which offers a state-of-the-art business center within a high-end residential and leisure complex.
We are very focused on innovation as a means to improve efficiencies. Recently, the entire organization underwent a digital transformation so that we can offer businesses a technologically advanced 24/7 digital platform. Consequently, company formation is very simple and can be done from anywhere in the world, with ongoing communication made equally simple and effective.
At Ajman Free Zone, we are dedicated to creating business and amplifying success. We are here to help any company with a vision to realize it within the ideal environment and with the very best support. We welcome you to join Ajman Free Zone.